Alright, we're going to fold our paper just like we did for the reading card, but we're not going to write as much, okay? So we're just going to fold it in half. Then you fold it in half again. And then again and again. Okay? So we're going to do some blending today. And I will show you what we're going to do. So up at the top of your paper, we're going to use this side first, and then we'll go to this side, and then we'll go on the back. But right up here, I want you to just put S-L. We're going to work on S-L words, and that would be, the beginning would say sl. Alright, so let's write. The first word we're going to write is slush. Okay, that sounds like a hard word, but it's not if you break it down. S-L-U-S-H. Remember that sh, there's a fish. There's that sh sound. So we have slush, slush. Now, there could be two different kinds of slush. Slush could be in the wintertime and there's like watery ice and you're in the slush. Or you could have a slush, like ice, like an icy drink. So that's two kinds. Our next word is slip. And I bet you can write that all by yourself. Slip. But I'll write it too. Slip. Slip. That was a pretty easy one, right? Slip. The next one, everybody loves this in the wintertime. And that is sled. Ready? Sled. Sled. There's different kinds of sleds. I wonder what kind you have. I always like the inner tube ones. Those were my favorite. Our next word is slam. 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 You could slam a door or slam your hand on the table. There's lots of different slams, right? That just made my dog bark. Oops. And our last word we're going to write is slid. Ready? Slid. Slid. Let's go ahead to the other side of our paper. We're going to do another, this is a blend, S-L blend. We're going to do another S blend, but this time it's S-K. So it'll say sk, sk. All right? Our first one is skid, sk-id. Let's write it. Ready? Sk-id, skid. Skid is whenever, like if you're riding your bikes and your back tire slides in the gravel or the rocks, you could say you skid. You could skid your car on ice. That would be a skid. It's kind of like sliding. The next sk word we're going to spell is skill. Now you hear the ul at the end. How many uls do you think there are? Watch. Sk, ul. There's two L's. Ill, I-L-L, and ill would be if you're sick. But you put a sk in front of it. Skill is something that you know how to do. The next one is skin. Do you hear the little word at the end? Sk-in. Sk-in. Look, there's the word in. You know that word. Then we put a sk in front of it, and that's this stuff. Stuff on our hand, on our body. The next one is skip. Listen to it. Sk-ip. Ready? Sk-ip. Skip. Do you know how to skip? I love skipping. It's fun. The next one is skull. Sk-all. Sk-all. There's two L's. Remember how we had skill? Two L's? Here's our two L's for skull. we are going to turn our paper over now. We got 5 more words. We're still going to do an S blend, but on this side it's going to be ST, so it'll say st. St. So our first one is stamp. Listen to all the sounds. Ready? Stamp. 5 sounds. Let's write it. Stamp. There we go. Got it. Stamp. You know what a stamp is? A stamp is a thing you put on a letter. I have one right here. Look. I have Earth Day stamps. Yep, they're Earth Day stamps. You put them on a letter and you can send it in the mail through the post office. Our next word is stand. Stand. And you're going to hear 5 sounds still. Ready? Stand. Ready? Let's write it. Stand. Stand. Everybody knows what stand is. When you stand up. Or it could be a stand that you put something on. Next one. Stem. Stem. Ready? Let's write it. Stem. Stem. Like a stem on a flower. Now we have a next one. Still. And you know, I know my dog is never, ever still. Ready? St. Now here's that ill sound again. Ready? I-L-L. Ill. And one more, and that is stump. 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 Let's write it. Stump. That would be when you cut down a tree and you have leftover sticking out of the ground. That's a stump. All right, now we wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 words. Okay? I want you to write me 3 sentences. So pick 3 words on the front or back. Doesn't matter which word. Pick 3 words. Write me 3 good sentences and email them to me. Bye, guys.